All right, everyone. Wanted to do a quick unboxing. Just getting home right now. Picked up these Powerbeats Pro in the red color, as you guys can see. This would be my second pair of Powerbeats. I actually have one in black right here. Let's see if I can get them open. So I have these in black, and I actually have another pair of more budget friendly headphones, but I'm too wrapped up in the Apple ecosystem, and I want to have a pair at home and a pair at work. First world problems, I know. But yeah, let's get in there. Let's get in here. Let's get into the unboxing. So again, these are the Powerbeats Pro in red, sweat and water resistant. So just you guys, 9 hours of wireless play, 24 hours with the charging case, sweat and water resistant, adjustable secure fit, on your controls for playback, for pause, for volume up, volume down on both. Again, I love these. I know they're old already and something new may be coming out, but I got the money from my birthday present. So I was like, you know what? First world problems. I love these. I know I'm going to love these. Obviously, they're just a different color. These are the ones that I have that are the budget kind. They're the Earfun Air. I'll actually talk about those right now as well. If you're interested in these are 40, 50 bucks. Really good pair of budget earphones. Trust me. They have a wireless, they have USB-C. The only thing is like I said, I'm wrapped up in the Apple ecosystem. So I have my iPad, I have my iPhone, and I have my iMac. So these just switch off automatically. I don't have to think about it. I don't have to do nothing. Just look at the screen, they start playing. So let's get in here again, like I said. Shout out to the boy Floss, like he says. Black box, giggity. So get the same charging case and everything. So you get your lightning cable here. You get your ear tips to adjust to your fit in your ear. Let's open up these bad boys. And actually, let me bring in my iPhone so you guys could see. And there they are, in red. They should be pairing up. There you go. Look at that. And that's it. That's how simple it is. Apple just makes it really simple. Look at these. Look really nice. Look a little bit more red on the box, but not pretty similar, pretty close. So these are going to be for my home use. And then at my office where I work at, these are I've had these for 2 years now already. Can't go wrong. Have a little bit of dings on the actual box and everything, but they still keep on working. They last all day. I'm probably going to be confusing my phone now with which is which. This is the black ones. Again, just wanted to do a quick unboxing, not a review. I will do a review. Well, I could do a review since I already own the black ones and I know how they work. But yeah, I'll just do actually a comparison probably eventually with the Earfun. Like I said, really good pair. Just like I said, I'm wrapped up in the Apple ecosystem. But see, look at Earfun Air connected. They connect right away. Magnetic and everything. So if you guys don't want to pay for AirPods, these are the way to go. I think $49.99 right now on Amazon. I'm not sure. I'll try to see if I can put a link on there. But yeah, these are great wireless charging keys. Sit it on your wireless charger, and you're good to go. You got a little light it'll start blinking red. So yeah, we'll talk about those later. But for right now, beats. This is what I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna set it up right now. Start listening to them. Hopefully everything works out good. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like. Thank you.